How to find your Steam trade URL. So if you want to find your Steam trade URL, then first you just need simply open up your Steam application. Once you open up your application, you can also go with your browser if you have your browser. So you just need simply go and sign into your account. To make sure you enter your name and password and then sign in. After that, you'll receive a code on your email. So you just need simply enter that code. Once you enter, just wait for a few seconds. And here you just need simply go with your name or your profile, which is on the top left, and then click on the profile section. And under your profile, you may have the inventory section, which is on the right, but you can also go with the inventory, which is right here. Just click on inventory, and here you will have the trade offers. Click on it. And here, as you can see that I don't have any trade offers at this time. But what you can do is just scroll down and here you will have who can send me trade offers. Just click on that option. Once you click on that option, if you scroll down a bit, then here you will have your trade URL. So you can just simply copy the URL, which is right here, and send it to your friends or any other person. That's how you can find your Steam trade URL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.